Hey guys, so today I am doing a collaboration video with fellow goth and YouTuber Radically Dark. If you don't know who she is, she does a bunch of like awesome DIY projects with clothes and accessories and things around the house. And she also talks a lot about music, goth music in particular. So if you haven't checked her out, I will put the link for her channel down below in the description box so you can go over there and have a look for yourself. So the collaboration we decided to do is a Halloween baking collab, and it's funny because I like baking, but I'm not like the greatest with decorating, cakes and desserts and stuff like that. I don't do too bad in the baking department though. And she was like, oh my God, I'm horrible at baking. She's like, but I think it'll be funny, just to see if it's like a fail or a success. So that's what we're doing today. And I have this book that had a bunch of Halloween desserts in it. It's called Halloween Taste of Home. This is like old. I don't even remember what year this is from. But I had it sitting in the cabinet. I was like, oh my God, I should do something from this magazine. So what I will be making today is bat cupcakes. I'm not going to show you guys the picture because I feel like that'll ruin it, and I want to see if it actually comes out like the picture. Then I'll do a comparison afterwards. So basically it just says to start off with a regular cake mix. This is chocolate. I got Devil's Food Cake, so you need like the dark color for a bat, like a black bat. So I'm just going to follow the directions on the box for making this and then pour them into the cupcake molds, and then I'll show you guys the process, I guess. I'm sure you guys know how to make cake from the box. You can make it from scratch, obviously, but I am too lazy to do that, so I'm just going to do the box mix because it's so much easier. Hopefully you guys can see my setup. It was just a little bit hard to have the camera like on the table and you see me at the same time because of my height. I'm so tall, so I had to put the camera up higher, but hopefully you can see the table. So it's just a cake mix. It says a cup of water, a third cup of vegetable oil, and 3 large eggs. So I'm just gonna beat this until it's, the correct consistency, and then pour it into the cupcake molds. So these are the cute little cupcake holders that I got. It says Happy Halloween and has a pumpkin face on the bottom. And it also came with these ones that have skeletons on them, bats, and it says boo. Trick or treat. I tried to find all black ones because I thought it would look good like for bats, all black, but I could not. So I think these will do. So I got that all mixed together nicely and smooth. We'll lick these later and we'll get salmonella poisoning. Just line the cupcake pan with the little cups. And then we'll pour them inside there, obviously. I just feel like it's such a bitch to get the batter inside the molds without making a mess. I have a little ladle that I can use, but still, I always make a mess. I feel like no matter what I'm doing, I make a mess. Whether it's cooking, putting my makeup on, I make a mess. So I did like 6 of each, so they're even. So I think with cupcakes, you're supposed to fill them, halfway full? This recipe calls for 24 cupcakes, so I'm going to have to do them in 2 batches because I do not think that I have 2 cupcake holders. Is it halfway or is it 3/4 of the way? I don't know because I very rarely make cupcakes. I'm going to look it up in a second. For right now, I'll just do halfway because obviously you're going to need at least halfway full. And then I'll look up whether it's, you have to do it 3/4 of the way. Hope you guys like my backdrop. I just got that. I ordered it off of Wish. I'm actually going to do a Wish haul coming up from stuff I bought for like Halloween. I wish it was just a little bit wider so you could like just see that in the background and not like the sides of the wall, but what are you going to do? I'm not too professional over here. Also, I hope you like my little headband with my bat wings. I don't know. Yeah, I showed you guys in one of my Vlogtober videos. I actually had to fix it. I had to hot glue it. It was from the dollar store, so it's like, what do you expect, you know? So I found I had another cupcake tin. So, but I only came up with, what is this, 12, 18 cupcakes instead of 24. I looked it up and it said to fill it 2/3 to 3/4 of the way. And I think I did basically 3/4 of the way because I kind of wanted them a little bit rounder on the top to decorate. So I'm sure they'll be fine. So this is them. I'm going to pop them in the oven, and I believe that it says to cook the cupcakes for 18 to 21 minutes. So we'll do that, and then I will be back once they are cooked and cooled. I decided to sit down for this part because it's too much bending over. So I took the cupcakes out. They're hot, they're pretty high, like a good size, I think, for frosting. I put them in the refrigerator so they could cool down a little bit. So let's see what's next. So basically you just take chocolate frosting. I just got classic chocolate frosting, and you set aside a couple tablespoons for piping afterwards. I don't ever really do piping, so the only thing I have is this thing. It has like a little piping tip on it. I'm gonna put some of the frosting in here, and hopefully this works. Every time I feel like I've tried to pipe stuff, it just comes out like a freaking disaster. I can't even get it in this container. I'm like, horrible. For later. So it says just to ice the cupcakes first. So I'm gonna do that. I got these little spatula things in that spooky basket swap that I got. Remember, I have a video of you. I don't know if you guys saw it, but I was part of this Facebook group, and we swapped Halloween baskets with just like random. It was just random people from around not Massachusetts, the United States. So I got these little spatula things, and they work pretty good because usually I just use a knife to frost cupcakes. I don't even know how much frosting to put on here. I feel like we need like a lot. I feel like this is a mess. I'm just not good at like decorating stuff. I'm really not. So I have it like that. Alright, let's just do one for now. And then it says we're gonna make bat wings out of fudge striped cookies, which are these. They're the Keebler ones. And basically it just says to cut them in half, and you can add scalloped edges if desired. Yeah, like that's gonna happen. Like, how am I gonna do that? Because the back side of the cookies are plain dark brown, and like this side's striped, so obviously you're gonna use this side showing forward for the bat wings. So I just have like a big knife like this, and I'm just gonna cut it in half. Oh, I did it! I don't know how I'm gonna make like scalloped rounded edges. I feel like that's not gonna happen. I got a little knife. I can try it. I'm like looking at the picture. I don't know. I don't know how they did that. I feel like I can't do that. And the cookies they have look a lot bigger than the cookies that I have for some strange reason. I don't know. I will try. I was gonna take a knife and try to do like a little half moon shape. I feel like this is gonna be a complete disaster. Oh yeah, it's like falling apart. Oh yeah, that didn't work at all. It just like totally broke apart. I don't know how they did this. They don't even tell you how they do it. They just say like, do it, you know? They just, like, seriously, when I try to cut into them, they're just breaking. So you know what we're gonna do? We're just gonna have them, like, not half moon shape, but just straight across. The only other thing I can think of is that you kind of like chisel. Oh, maybe you do it like that. You chisel it out. Oh, okay, we'll try it again. Take two. Cut them in half. Got that one. Okay, now we're gonna like chisel a half moon shape. I don't know if you guys know what I mean, but I'll try to zoom in on it. So I'm kind of going like this and making this part like a half moon inside there. All right, there's one. Let's do this other one. Ooh, a big chunk came out. Oh my god. It looks a little crappier than the other one, but whatever. You're just gonna go in your mouth. You're just gonna eat them. So I tried. So basically, you see how this edge is flat? I did like a half moon inside there, like a little divot, if you guys can see it. All right, so now we have to place them on the cupcakes. This ain't gonna, I'm gonna have to get like a different, no, I did it wrong. I did it wrong. I did it on the wrong side. I gotta make sure to do it on the right side. So one goes like this and one goes like this. So I gotta do another one. Well, we got one. And it just says place it in the middle here. Oh, this shit's gonna fall out. Oh, maybe if I push it inside the cupcake more. Well, that kind of worked. Theirs looks so much nicer. Radically Dark was afraid her video was gonna be a fail. I feel like mine is a fail. I like am dreading getting to the part where I have to do the piping, because I just dread. So basically I made the other one on the wrong side for it to show like facing this way, if you guys know what I mean. So I just did it again. All right, let's shove this sucker in there. Oh, that one looks cute. This one kind of like, oh, that looks better. Okay. All right, so it looks like that. That's not bad, right? I think that looks pretty good. And then you have to take Hershey Kisses, about a whole bag. I already opened up a bunch that I needed. I took the wrapping off, and this is gonna be the face. So I guess I'll have to sit up so I can show you guys. So it says to place the face like here. Like that? Okay, we're getting there. And, well, I feel like my backdrop's gonna fall. And then we pipe ears onto the top. So maybe I'll do one like close up for you guys, so you guys can see everything. I mean, whatever. It looks cute. It's not that bad. It's not easy to do though. I don't even think I need this thing. I kind of just like dab some on there. Like theirs looks more like a little pointy thing. Mine just looks like a blob. Oh my god. And then it says to take red decorative icing. I bought the red gel, writing gel, to make the eyes. So he has red eyes. Just squeezed it and a whole bunch came out. One. Two. Oh my god, he's so cute. All right, let me come around and show you guys. Can you see that? Like these little red eyes, and I did the little ears. Hey, he didn't come out that bad. I think he actually looks pretty good. What do you guys think? I'll do the other one up close so you guys can see it better. I don't know if you really care, but just in case you guys want to duplicate this, then you can do that. Okay, cupcake is frosted. Cut the cookie in half so it looks like this, and then we're just gonna scallop the edge. So I kind of just took the knife and I'm kind of carving like this. Then I just sort of shoved the wings inside, like not just in the frosting, but I shoved it in the cake too. Same thing, like that. And then you just have your Hershey Kiss. And I just placed it on the front here. I kind of shoved it down hard, you know, out a little bit. The piping was probably the most difficult. I just kind of like put a little bit on here. I basically like took the knife and made it more defined. Like this is really hard. Like this does not, I feel like there's too much coming out. So I basically just took the knife and I did something like this. Just to make it like stick up a little bit. And then I just used the red gel and put some eyes on them. Oh, that's a big eye. That's a big bloody eye. This one will have rabies, I guess. So I'll probably use a little bit less than I used there. For the eyes. Yeah, this guy's got rabies. And that's it. Not too hard, right? It was kind of easy. This is the picture for comparison in the magazine. I think mine looks pretty good. What do you think? I think it looks pretty close to what they have there. So, now I'm just going to finish doing the rest of them. I'm not going to do them on camera because it'll take too long. But you guys got the general idea of how to do it. Not the general idea, you got the full idea of how you're supposed to do it. Let me know if you guys try this for yourselves and if you think mine actually came out cute or they look horrible. I think I did a good job. Like I said, I'm not good at decorating or anything like that, but I think I did a pretty good job. So leave me a comment down below and give me your opinions and let me know if you make these yourself. Also, like I said, go check out Radically Dark's page and also her video. She will have it uploaded at the same time as mine and see if her baking was a fail or a success. So until next time, stay dark, my friends. Happy Halloween, and I will talk to you guys later.